This is language fact number 2 of chapter 2. In this section, we learn about what is called the locative case. I know what you're thinking. We've already learned nominative, genitive, dative, accusative, and ablative. We know that technically there's something called the vocative, the 6th case, that's very rare. But we're adding a 7th case, the locative. Don't worry. It's still pretty rare, and it's more of something that just exists as a convention. Not every single noun is going to have a locative case. Usually it's going to be for place names, so for proper nouns. And you're going to be pleased to see that the most common forms look identical to the genitive case form. The rest of them are going to look like the ablative. Okay, so here we go. Let's take a look. When you're talking about living in Rome, for example, Roma is a first declension noun. So if I were to say I live in Rome, you would say vivo Romai. Vivo Romai. I know that you could also use ablative and use the preposition in. So you could say vivo in Roma with the macron over that or lengthen that final A. That would work, but it's fairly common to see this construction, vivo Romai, and you might think, I live to Rome, I live of Rome. No, this just means I live in Rome, and this is the locative case. All right, so notice how the locative case for first declension nouns are going to look identical to the genitive case. This is true also for nouns that are in the second declension. The textbook gives to us a horrible example. There's a royal palace built by Charlemagne himself, and the place would be Aquisgranum. So this is second declension, and the locative case form is going to look just like the genitive. So we have Aquisgrani in Aachen in German/Dutch. Both of those languages are relevant to this region of the world. They would just call it Aachen. But anyway, Aquisgrani would mean, as the locative case form would be in Aachen. All right, if it is a third declension, however, you are going to be using the ablative. For example, Cartago, you would do Cartage, because it's Cartago, Cartaginis, and then Cartage is the ablative case form. All right. So really, it's a fairly simple thing. Rarely you're going to find non-place names such as Ruri, Rus, Ruri, as having a locative form. This would be countryside, so Ruri would be in the countryside, locative. But again, it's simple enough to keep straight. So there we have it. All right.